Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a flat twist out using my Taylor Beauty products. The products that I'm using for this video is the LOC package from Taylor Beauty, which includes the moisturizing mist, Grow Thick oil, and the everything butter. So I'm brushing everything through to make sure that the products are evenly distributed. And then I'm going to take a medium-sized section and start my flat twist. And I'm just going to repeat these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So I've done flat twist in the front and the side of my hair, and then in the back section of my hair, I did just regular 2-strand twist. Now that my twists are all done, I'm just going to let them air dry overnight, and I'll be back for the takedown in the morning. So here we are the next day. My twists are dry, and I'm going to add a little bit of the Lustrous Hair Remedy Serum to my hands just to prevent any unwanted frizz. And as you can already see, definition is on point. So excited about this flat twist out. So here are my final results. I am definitely loving this flat twist out. The everything butter has my hair shiny, moisturized, defined. This is everything. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.